Which city did you visit in Spain?
I visited Barcelona.
What did you like the most there?
I loved the beaches and the beautiful buildings.
Did you try any Spanish food?
Yes, I tried paella and tapas. They were delicious.
How long did you stay there?
I stayed for 1 week.
Did you travel alone or with friends?
I traveled with 2 friends.
Would you like to visit Spain again?
Yes, I would love to go back someday.
Which country would you like to visit next?
I would like to visit Italy next.
That sounds great.
Yes, I hope to travel there soon.
Did you visit any famous places there?
Yes, I visited some museums and historic buildings.
What was the weather like?
The weather was warm and sunny most of the time.
Did you go to the beach?
Yes, I spent a day at the beach and it was very relaxing.
Did you buy any souvenirs?
Yes, I bought some postcards and a small gift for my family.
Did you learn any Spanish words?
Yes, I learned a few basic phrases.
Was it easy to communicate with people?
Yes, many people spoke English, so it was not difficult.
What was your favorite moment of the trip?
My favorite moment was walking around the city at night and trying local food.
That sounds like a wonderful trip.
Yes, it was a great experience.
Do you plan to travel again this year?
Yes, I hope to visit another country soon.
How did you travel to Spain?
I traveled by plane.
Was it your first international trip?
No, I had visited France before that.
What did you do on your first day in Spain?
I walked around the city and explored the local streets.
Did you take many photos?
Yes, I took a lot of pictures of the architecture and the scenery.
Did you use public transportation there?
Yes, I used the metro and buses. They were very convenient.
Did you visit any local markets?
Yes, I went to a large market and tried some fresh fruit.
Did you meet any local people?
Yes, I talked with some locals in cafes and shops.
What language did you mostly speak there?
I mostly spoke English, but I tried some Spanish too.
What was the most surprising thing about the trip?
I was surprised by how lively the city was at night.
Did the trip change your view about traveling?
Yes, it made me want to explore more countries in the future.
Did you stay in a hotel or another place?
I stayed in a small hotel near the city center.
Was the hotel comfortable?
Yes, it was clean and very comfortable.
Did you try any traditional desserts?
Yes, I tried churros with chocolate. They were delicious.
Did you visit any parks or gardens?
Yes, I spent some time in a beautiful city park.
Did you go shopping during your trip?
Yes, I visited some local shops and bought a few souvenirs.
Did you take a guided tour?
Yes, I joined a walking tour of the old town.
What did you learn from the tour?
I learned about the city's history and culture.
Did you make any new friends during the trip?
Yes, I met some travelers from other countries.
What advice would you give to someone visiting Spain?
I would tell them to try the local food and explore the city on foot.
Did you visit any small towns near the city?
Yes, I took a short trip to a nearby town for a day.
How did you get there?
I went there by train.
Was the train ride enjoyable?
Yes, the scenery along the way was beautiful.
Did you try speaking Spanish with the locals?
Yes, I tried, and they appreciated the effort.
What time did you usually start your day during the trip?
I usually started my day early to see more places.
Did you visit any art galleries?
Yes, I visited a modern art gallery.
What kind of art did you see there?
I saw paintings, sculptures, and some digital art.
Did you attend any local events or performances?
Yes, I watched a street performance in the evening.
What did you enjoy most about traveling abroad?
I enjoy discovering new cultures and meeting different people.
Would you recommend traveling to others?
Yes, traveling is a great way to learn and have new experiences.